Economy and how it impacts your future. With a lot of focus in Washington on how to tackle the nation's debt, Social Security and Medicare have been two of the programs up for discussion.
While no specific details have been laid out, one of the possibilities is pushing back the retirement age, which has already gone up for some people. Fox 11's Cameron Clark brings us balanced coverage.
Kelvin Kinnaid is about to turn 66 and is in the process of applying for retirement benefits. He says he doesn't know what he'd do if he had to wait much longer.
It actually almost forced me to go look for a job, which would be very difficult because people don't hire the senior citizens.
Tougher still, because he's been on disability for the last several months due to several health conditions, including Parkinson's disease. At an AARP listening session in Green Bay this week, Kinnaid and others talked about concerns with possible Social Security reform, which could include raising the retirement age. While that was 65 for many years, the age for full Social Security benefits is already increasing on a sliding scale to where people born in 1960 or later will have to wait until age 67. While no specific plan has been put on the table, talks in Washington include raising that further to address the nation's debt issues.
Well, you know, Social Security didn't cause the deficit, so it shouldn't be used in order to help pay for the deficit.
From what I've seen, both parties agree that something has to be done.
Richard Perrins with the Brown County Taxpayers Association is 63 himself and could start collecting partial benefits. Perrins says he's more concerned about the stability of the retirement programs than some people having to wait a little longer.
If something doesn't happen fairly quickly, it's not just about our debt ceiling, but it's going to be about the future financial stability for my children and grandchildren. I want to make sure that these programs are around for them.
Social Security is strong. It can pay full benefits for the next 25 years. And even if we don't do anything, it can pay 75% of benefits for decades after that. While
both Lampkins and Perrins agree more jobs would help the future of the retirement programs, what to do in the near future is much debated. In Green Bay, Cameron Clark, Fox 11 News.
Perrins also points out that life expectancy was much shorter when Social Security was created, while AARP says people with more labor-heavy careers would be hard-pressed to work several extra years. Again, no specific plan has been introduced into Congress as of yet.